Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerald. Thank you for tuning in to watch my video. Please subscribe if you're new here. I am making a DIY today and I call it my homemade carrot oil recipe. Carrot oil is generally beneficial to the human body, so stay tuned and watch how to make this great recipe. Overall, carrot oil is beneficial for the whole body. When ingested, it can help refresh your immune system, improve your kidneys and liver, aid against rheumatism and arthritis. However, it is mostly known for its positive results on hair and skin. Carrot oil is particularly popular in anti-aging beauty products as it is rich in vitamin A and beta-carotene, both of which are reputed to keep skin supple and prevent damage from free radicals. These are the uses of homemade carrot oil: for skin lightening, removes dark spots, is a natural sunscreen, it moisturizes the skin, it gives skin a healthy glow, it helps in natural tanning, it improves or promotes hair growth, makes your hair shiny, soft and silky, it promotes anti-aging. What you will need are some carrots, medium-sized carrots. I use 2, but you can use more as much as you like. You will need a carrier oil. I use coconut oil because my hair, skin and inner body loves coconut oil, but you can use olive oil or almond oil, even lavender oil. A carrier oil is a vegetable oil derived from the fatty portion of a plant, usually from the seed, kernels or nuts. The next thing you will need is a grater to grate your carrots into little slices. This is the procedure how to make your carrot oil at home. Scrape the back of your carrot, wash it and pat it dry. We don't want to use a wet carrot or a dirty carrot to do this recipe. Your carrots have to be clean and patted dry. Start grating it on the grater. Preferably use the part of the grater that gives it a long thin slice pattern. I use 2, but you can use more as much as you like. Dry the sliced carrots or the grated carrot in a flat tray using natural drying method, which is sun drying, till carrot is totally dry and shrunken. Till carrot is totally dry and shrunken. When the carrot is dry and shrunken, you will see that
I keep on waiting, waiting. You must have lost my number, answer me now. I'm just waiting, waiting, waiting.
Put the shrunken carrot into the carrier oil and keep it in a dark corner for up to 14 days, but ensure to shake the recipe every 2 days to achieve faster results. Put the shrunken carrot into the carrier oil and keep it in a dark corner for up to 14 days, but ensure to shake the recipe every 2 days to achieve faster results. On the 14th day, strain the oil out and store in a clean container. Don't forget to note that the shelf life of the carrot oil lasts as long as that of its carrier oil. So whatever oil you are using as your carrier oil, make sure you know the shelf life, because as long as the carrier oil lasts, that is how long the carrot oil will last as well. Hola, enjoy the beauty of carrot oil. Please, like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment to see more DIYs, and like this video if it was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.